This is the demo video for Insert LDAP. So firstly, I'm going to show you some app details. So here we have the name, Insert LDAP. If we scroll down, we find the GCP project number that this is associated with. So if I click that, I get the GCP project. If I go to the API's overview and I select credentials, we can see the OAuth 2 client IDs. Here is the app script one here. If I copy that and I just put that into a doc like this, now you can see the full OAuth 2 client ID. Okay, if I now go back to the app script project for Insert LDAP, I'm on the overview page. If I scroll down here, I've got the project OAuth scopes. So if we start with this first one and we'll walk through these. Display and run third-party web content in prompts and sidebars inside Google applications. So I assume this one's necessary for the sidebar HTML file, which uses a style sheet, a third-party icon, and sources a jQuery library. So if we look at the source code for each of those, go to the sidebar, we've got the style sheet here. We scroll down, we've got a logo here, and we've got the jQuery library source reference there. So that's those three. So if we go back to the overview, see your primary Google account email address. So this is needed to gather the email address, i.e. the username of the user pressing the insert button on the app, which we'll show you later, so that entry can be attributed to them. So if we look at the source code for that, it's in the Google application script. We scroll down here, we can see accessing the user's email here. So that's where that one's used. So if we go back to the overview and look at the third one, view and manage documents that this application has been installed in. Well, we need to look at the document to read in the text in the line that's been inserted on, and then we also need to write back the author attribution and place the cursor. So if we show you the text for the code for that, we scroll down so you can see things like this, element insert text, positioning the cursor, that type of thing. So that's why we need that OAuth scope. And next we will demonstrate authorizing and using the application. So extensions, insert LDAP. So this is using the testing facility that's provided for editor add-ons. So if I press start, I get asked that I need authorization. So I'll continue there. There we go. Okay. So you can now see the pop-up screen. So we've got the privacy policy and the terms of service, which just link to my little website. So we select the users, continue, and you've been given access to an app that's currently being tested. You should only continue if you know the developer that invited you. Well, that's me. So I continue, and I get 2 of those here. I think the other one must be there by default always. So we've got 2 of the OAuth scopes. So yeah, I trust insert LDAP, so I'm going to allow those. And now we can go back to our document. And we can use, by clicking the right place, we can use our extension. So press start. We now just get a simple button here, which will insert the cursor, like so. And then I can type a sentence which is attributed to me. I can also type a sentence first, and then I can put my cursor there, insert, and there you go. And I can insert anywhere I like. And there we go. That is how we use it. That completes the demo.